Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download and install GTA Vice City on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official game store where GTA Vice City is available. Purchase or redeem the game if you don't already own it. Once it's added to your library, download and install the game launcher if required. Next, sign into your account and open your game library. Find GTA Vice City and click the Install button. Choose the folder where you want to install the game, then confirm and wait for the download to finish. After the installation is complete, click Play to launch the game. If you're starting it for the first time, the launcher may install a few required files automatically. Once that's done, adjust your graphics and display settings if needed, then start a new game and enjoy exploring Vice City. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.